here. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Helene. This is Cabin Fever Crochet. I am just popping in here for a couple of minutes to go over the surprise drawing goodies. Pick 2 winners. Okay, you know all the rules. Hopefully you read them in the giveaway. You have a week till the 31st to get in touch with me, 31st of October 2020. If I don't hear from you, your giveaway gifts will be forfeited and either go into another drawing some other time or donated. All right, so I will leave my email below in the description box. And again, if you are within the United States, then I will mail you the physical items, and if you are out of the United States, I will send you an e-gift card instead. So this is just a couple of small little giveaways. Still fun. You can still make something with it, right? And if you're a gift card recipient, it will be a small gift card. You can always put it towards something of your choosing. Okay, so I'm going to start for the first one. You get 2 skeins of the Red Heart Soft, 204 yards each, 4 ounces, so that'll be plenty. You can make a little scarf with that. Here's the second one, both the same. This is in the color way, it's called watercolors. And then a little bag, a little self-zippered folding pouch, a little ladybug, just like the one I have here. Use that for a project bag, to-go bag, whatever you like. And then the second person that I will be drawing will receive 1 cake of the Premier Anti-Pilling DK colors. It is a number 3 light, and you receive 5 ounces, 383 yards with this in the color Strata. Nice neutral, kind of slate blue, gray, neutral tones. I enjoy that, working with this yarn a lot. And then the little extra with yours is a 1.5 ounce coconut hand cream by Desert Essence, a natural store brand. Okay, well that's it for the goodies here. So I'm going to go ahead and pick. And surprise, surprise here on the snow. Can you believe it? We couldn't believe it. October. Still into our fall season. The color's just starting to change. So I'm going to insert at the end of this, for those of you who would like to continue watching, I have a few clips when the incoming started on Friday the 23rd, yesterday, and then yeah, we went for a little drive, get some groceries today. So it's cold. The air is very biting, and the winds are picking up, and that's not good. We've already lost power twice. We had no power yesterday morning. Again this morning, thankfully it came back on pretty quickly, as power outages can go. And so took a drive, and it's you know, the first fallen snow is so pretty, and afterwards the sky is just bluer than blue. But it's just so crazy. Broke the 1957 record. Now we are north of the city of Spokane, and we're at a higher elevation here and in a snow belt. But they measure at the Spokane, yeah, it was yesterday, the Spokane airport. So 1957, the record then was 0.2 inches, so less than a 1/4 inch, and they got 4.5 inches there, and we got about 5, little over 5 inches here. But it will start warming up by midweek until the mid-40s, maybe even near 50s again by week's end. But I went for a walk after we got home, and Lucy loves playing in it. So watch that at the end if that's something that you would like to enjoy. Okay, well, good luck, everyone. And real quick, before I get to picking, I just want to thank each and every one of you for being here, part of my channel, and also for your lovely, wonderful comments on that video for the surprise giveaway. And my question was what your favorite thing is about fall. And as I read each and every comment, it was just so fun and interesting and heartwarming, and I was nodding my head along with you and oohing and ahhing and oh yeah, that's just so nice. So okay, I just wanted to share that and say thanks. All right, I've already put the link to that video here. All right, so this is for the first winner with the 2 skeins of Red Heart Soft and the little tote bag. All right, getting all the comments. So we only had 48 comments on this one. So that increases your odds pretty well. Okay, here we go. The first one, the winner is... oh, Birdsong, Becky. Hey, hey, hey. What a surprise, huh? Okay, well, I already have your contact information, so that's pretty exciting. And then I know that you will watch and comment anyway. And I will go ahead, I'll get that out to you probably on Monday or within a couple of days, depending on our unpredictable weather here. All right, and now I'm going to pick another person. Okay, you ready? I can't help these ads. That's not anything I put up there. Okay, so next person. Start the raffle number 2, and that will be for the Premier DK Colors cake. And this person is dun 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 dun, Tracy. No kidding. That's funny. Tracy Henwood. How about that? All right. Well, looks like you both will have a little goodie bag coming your way. Okay, well, take care, everyone. All right. Thanks for participating. Stay tuned for more fun stuff coming up, and I will see you again soon. All right. Bye for now. And here we are on Thursday the 22nd, typical fall changing colors and mid-40s weather, pretty mild, moderate, was very nice, sun felt good, great for walking. And then, well, here we are, our first snowfall of the not season. October 23rd, cold front from Alaska moved in. This is going on our 8th winter here. Have never had snow in October. Well, I think it was on the 31st one year. It was just a dusting and gone by the next afternoon. It started early this morning and it's supposed to be heavy wet snow continuing on until about midnight. I do appreciate and love how quiet and still everything gets. Our willow hasn't even dropped all of its leaves yet. See how the weight's really dragging these down quite a bit. Wow. Burr. Oh my. Come on, Tasha, let's go. It's late at night. Almost midnight, actually. Oh, need to let the dogs out potty. Oh, there's a lot of snow. Ready? Let me open this. Hold on. None of us want to go out. It's cold. Oh boy, we got a lot. Check it out. Watch Lucy walk. How deep are you? Where'd you go? Oh, she's right up next to the fence. How funny. Okay, well, it's hard to tell from her tracks, but yeah, you get an idea, huh? Yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow night. It's supposed to be 7 degrees here, or less. And now here we are, off on a road trip to the grocery store on this beautiful but cold day. A few trees down here and there, but not too bad. Road conditions are really great today, for the most part. Getting out was a little slick, but otherwise it was fine. Here we are after getting our groceries, going down a couple of side streets. Had to stop here for just a minute. Well, besides being a stop sign, I just thought it was so pretty and pretty unusual with the autumn colors and the snow together. And as we got home pulling in, how sweet is that? Four-legged hoofed friends waiting to greet us. Sure is a pretty day, even though 20-something degrees out. The sun is so warm. Oh, look, here goes the snow falling off the branches. Yeah, the breeze is picking up. It's not good, though. Not with all the weight of the snow on the trees, and it's supposed to get really, really, really cold tonight. There you can hear the breeze picking up now. Woo! Ah! It's blowing all the snow my way. Look at that. Okay, watch out, Lucy. Are you getting it too? She's getting it too. Woohoo! Careful, baby. Good girl. Walking in the snow, walking in the snow. Do we want to walk through this? Not quite canopy, but I don't want to get pelted with snow particularly out here. Ooh. So pretty though. Oh, the air's so clean. Wow. What a difference. Beautiful blue sky. So we continue on our lovely little walk, and all of a sudden, just a few feet ahead, the dog starts sniffing around furiously on the road and off to the left in the brush. So I look down, and it appears to me we have wolf tracks. The smaller tracks are from Tasha, although she is not a small dog by any means, so I am sure that's what it is. Not unusual, we have them around here, just have to be careful, keep our eyes and our ears open. Here we are, the close of another day. Thanks so much for spending a little time with me. I sure hope you enjoyed it and the few laughs of our offbeat sense of humor at the end. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Oh, looky what we have here. The great thinker on his throne. Hey, you need any help over there? Well, here you go, honey. Would you like a crochet magazine to go with that?
Sure, I'm going to be here a while.